Hey there, I'm Bridget, registered dietitian with the Kroger company. Today I want to talk to you about mental and emotional well-being, a really important topic. When was the last time you took 10 minutes for yourself? Has it been a while? For me, I like to take those 10 minutes and spend them on a walk, and today I'd like to tell you 3 reasons why. First, have you ever noticed when you're outside you feel a little happier? There's some science there. Let's nerd out for a second about what's actually happening. Sunlight is tied to your sleep-wake cycle. That's your circadian rhythm. Serotonin, what your body is releasing, is tied to feelings of wakefulness and happiness. Who doesn't want a little more of that? But don't forget, wear sunscreen. How often do you find yourself in a group of people where everyone is on their phone? On average, we check our phones 47 times a day. Unless you're 18 to 24, then it's 86 times a day. It's a lot of times a day to check your phone. I know it's really hard, but put your phone down and use a walk as a reason to be present and enjoy the moment. A break from that screen time is good for your eyes and your brain. Taking a walk by yourself is great, but you can also level it up by using it as a way to connect with your social and emotional support network. Bring your friends. Instead of spending money on dining out, you can get exercise and spend quality time together. For me, these are the reasons I like taking a walk. Thanks for hanging out.